Alright, I just had a check engine light come on. It's a Misfire number 4. And on this engine right here for the 06 Lincoln Town Car, the number 4 is 4 back from the front on the passenger side. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4 is that one right back there in the back. So we're going to be taking that out and replacing it. I literally have 30 minutes to do this job. This is not a fast, not a long job to do. So I'm going to get it done and then I get going where I got to go. I'm not going to be able to hold the camera the whole time, but I am going to hold it for taking this bolt out. Oh, what I wanted to tell you first, you can see I have a bunch of debris back in there. I want to blow all that out before I pull that spark plug boot off. So I'm going to do that first. Okay, the debris is all out of the way. These coil packs, you can get them on eBay. I got a whole set of them. I only needed one, but it was actually more cost effective to buy the whole set. And that's what I did. I figured I would be needing them later. And I did. This is actually my last one. Now you can simply just pull that right out. You can do that with any one of these. They look like they're too close to that fuel rail, but they come up and there's just a spark plug boot on the end of them. They bend. And this one here, I'm gonna pull it up and out before I take off the wire, because look at my wire. It just all disintegrated. My spark plug boot. Alright, I'm gonna have to get both hands on that so I can push that little tab in. I pulled off the little tab. That's what it looks like. Of course, this big boot here, big boot that come off, it's on there. I have my new one. Get this new one out of the bag here. And I have the boot grease. Now, this boot grease right here, I'm going to squeeze a little bit out as dielectric silicone grease. Put a little bit in the boot, and I always put a little bit here on the connector. Put it around here. It'll help waterproof it and silicone it, and then just slide it right back in. Plug it up. That's how the grease wound up. Whenever you push that spark plug on there, it'll just seal all around it. Same thing with the electrical connector. And then you just set it right back in there and line up the hole. And you, with us old-time mechanics, you normally want to hear that little click when it goes on the spark plug. You don't really hear that all the time with these, but believe me, whenever you put that screw on there, you have it down tight and it's making contact. So yep, you just go right back in here with it. There's my plug, my connector. Alright, there's a coil pack setting in its place where it's supposed to go. Haven't plugged it in yet. That's what it looks like. And I always get this little pack of grease here, and I put a little bit of grease on this here on the bolt, because these bolts, you don't need much. These bolts are very small, and sometimes they get a little bit of resistance on them. You know, you get afraid to put too much pressure on them because of how small they are. They could just snap in half on you. Always get it started in with your fingers, even if it's just a couple threads, before you ever start wrenching on it. Alright, snug it up. And then just plug it back in. You gotta find the orientation on that thing, where it needs to be, and poop. There. It's right in place. See? Quick job with time to spare. Now, to clear my code, which is what I should have done before, I'll pull off that negative battery terminal there for about 15 minutes, which I hope I still have 15 minutes left. If not, I'll do it when I get back. But pull the cable off, and that'll clear the code, and you won't have that engine light come on anymore. All right, I hope this helps out. Please subscribe, please follow me. Give a shout out to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you following what I do, and it makes me feel good that I'm doing something and somebody is learning. All right, thank you. Y'all have a good day.